Welcome back to WTV. I'm still here, no prof, in Gangala. Akanika manzi or cold drink or any. I'm still faced in a manje. Angazukuthi the treatment yangamhlanje injani. But anyway, I'm complaining, I'm just saying. Prof.
Yes, but
All right, sharp. This one obviously, I think majority of, not majority, but maybe 40% of my cases last year was these people. Umuntu une business, it's dying or it's dead. Uyangifonela, so, what can I do? I think uyakumbula now, some got help and some were, yeah, it was an up and down affair. But in those ones that couldn't get help, you did say something, would sometimes the business I found just out of bad luck or in the business ishawe idlozi ukuthi iwe. And I've never explored that option. I never sat down with you ukuthi sikhulume ngale nto le. Ukuthi what does that mean? Because normally it's either bakuthumele something, it's either onesinyama, or it's either you're a bad business person. Sometimes let's admit it. Some people are just bad in their business. They're not good business people. But this one yokuthi sometimes ungashawa idlozi lakho lishaye business iyo. I've never explored that one. So ngicela ukuthi today just please explain for us ukuthi how does that happen? Is kanjani lento lokuthi manje wena le business ayisabhedleki because of maybe isilwane or any or maybe your incompetence ishawa idlozi.
yeah, ngiyabonga ithuba bra KB njalo balithandi bedabuni. Bra KB idlozi likhona and liyaphila. Asithi umuntu akezanga kimi ukuthi ngimenzele ibusiness yakhe eliphakama. But ibusiness yakhe uvelo wayakha yaphakama asiza ubani? Usize idlozi obvious. So matsiza idlozi wakhohle ukuthi no kumele ethi ngiyenze umsebenzi ekhaya ukuthi ngiyabonga bakalikhuleni lento eningenzele yona ngiyabonga Tsogo TV lento eningenzele yona hey bogogo qhubekani ningipha amandla ngiye phambili uyayivisisa aka recognize akayenzi umsebenzi okubonga akayenzi ini idlozi leligcina lithi no man lo muntu siyamupha amathenda lo muntu siyamupha imisebenzi lo muntu siyamupha isikhundla aga recognize lento leyo uyayibona bra KB bese lo muntu wenzani bese ugcina uyalimala ubona kancane kuyaya nenini kufe IBM asithi nje bekasebenza ngetransport itruck iphukile at 1 to 3 truck enye iphukile at 1 to 3 elinye liphukile mathi ulungisa leli kuphuka leli ubona imali iyaphela akasukumi athi let me go and check what yini into yenza ukuthi ibusiness yami iyenze so oda kunje akhathe athenga ithu amasha awafake liphuke next week kuphuke nani malungiselela kuthi kuhlala kunama ups and downs and then until I downgrade lesikhathi sekawila selele 300 rand ngikanathi thingihambe ngiyohlola ukuthi ngabe yini masifika la sithi idlozi akasana leyo mali kokuthenga inkomo or imbuzi abiza abantu athi namhlanje umsebenzi lo ukubonga ukuthi yonke lento enginayo idlozi lami lingiphile. Ukubonga kubaluleke kakhulu ebantwini, kubonga kuyinto ejule kakhulu ukuthi umuntu kufuna ayenze bra KB noma ungathini idalwa zikhona. That's why ngithethi la ekhaya we don't chase amadlozi, zonke izinto sifuna zihambisane nani nedlozi lakho so that nakusasa libe grateful unless idlozi lakho lelo alifuna imali ila sinisholeza ukuthi egogo asisaphili kulesa sikhathi se 1 rand manje imali. So siyancenga ukuthi lo mntwana wakho akwazi ukuphatha lama business livume idlozi lakho maqeda lapho lithatha izinto ziphakama. Into ebalekile lapho ukubonga, recognize abantu abangasekho. Wasikwazi ukurecognize Abraham sikhohlwe abakithi abakulethe emhlabeni.
Okay, but here's the thing, Prof. Sometimes same ngiyakhuphuka natural, right? Kuba mhlambe I'm doing a different business. Mhlambe I've got a ngine college encane or ngine computer school. Sharp ngicale garage. Yakhula yabona ukuthi okay like I can rent space at town. Go get a building, but need a whole floor, I can finance it. Right? A business, sometimes it stagnates. I move. Then, get to know. Ongati Idlozi, sell pelele. Now I must get boosters. Yeah. Prof, I've reached this level. Ngifuna uhlophe or ngifuna ukuhlophe or ngifuna whatever. Manje I want to move from here to the next level. Does that impact Idlozi in as far as Idlozi being jealous? Ukuthi how manje I'm being bypassed by uhlophe now. Does that also impact on the business ukuthi iwishe Idlozi?
Yes.
Well? Yeah. And if that's the case, when how do you reconcile abantu bayi-two ukuthi babe ne-peace? Because manje Idlozi sengithi awu bengithi ngiphethe la ngapha uhlophe uthi mina ngizosebenza la. So bayashayisana nabantu. How do you make sure that the situation does not pull the business down eventually umuntu asibona selling at 300 rand?
Yes. Lapho brakepi into engiyenza yiyodwa. Malo muntu afika ngifike ngihlole kuqala ngeke ngizwe ngayo ukuthi hey bengisebenza without izinto but manje sengicabanga ukusebenzisa izinto. So sizohlola kuqala ukuthi lezi zinto bekapheba kibo na. Masithoka ukuthi bekapheba kibo. Asiqale sihlole ukuthi bakini bafunani ukuthi bangayoshi bayoba nejealous ngoba Idlozi vele linenhliziyo liyakhwelezela vele. So ibe nendlela yokubheka ukuthi ukuze lingakhwelezeli lezi zinto zikwazi ukuqomana ziganane so yini lifunani ledlozi lakho bese siyalitshela ukuthi no hey gogo hey wena dabula amanzi lo akezange uzothatha umsebenzi kanyanga muni uze kuphela ukuthi azosizana nonyanga muni umntwana phakame ayephezulu so nina mukelani lento le ngendlela eso sibheke ukuthi amadlozi yalomuntu ajabuliswa yini olinye idlozi alidingi futhi nokuthi uze ukuthi stress ngemali lifuna amanzi aluphuzisa amanzi lomile. What we do sithatha amanzi sihambe sokhuluma nalomuntu aphuza bodla bese ngikhanise sisabanzile sihlanganisa uhlophe bahamba siganye labantu lo Idlozi lakho linawe usebenze wena nohlophe lapha uyakukhuphula bobabili. But if you gone just to say no ayimkhulu bengilongisebenza ngidakhuleka man thatha naku lo uhlophe lo uzofika kwenzele izinto mafika uhlophe kuyofana nokuthi ngathi awuzange wathatha lutho kuyowa kokuqala nokugcina ngoba manje sesiyenke abantu abaphethe impilo yakho sangabazisi lutho ande vele bazolwa kakhulu bakufulathele bamela bathi asimbone ukuthi ukuthi usurvive kanjani singekho bamelapha.
Yeah, but labo sinenkinga manje mawibeka kanjalo prof. And now we witness and we steering sakhona and ngizoyikhuluma lento.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngisabi. Masikhuluma iqiniso. There are people. Okay, let me use it in a different context. Sometimes I wasn't using anything. You figure out okay sharp. Manje, ngifuna isithwala like now I'm here for isithwala. Right? Not isiphakamisi or no, just a specific isithwalo no. And ngifuna isithwalo esisheshayo. Esingos. Right? Now you know ukuthi lesithwalo ngeke sihambisane nedlozi. So you make a decision ukuthi sizoyibypassa idlozi manje. Sizobeka eceleni. Ukuthi lo muntu akhuphe ngalesithwalo. And especially, and you know what that happens mostly. Kuma tender, that happens. Agriculture, that happens a lot. You've seen it. And that's all I'll say. And we are into specifics. Obviously. How do you protect me from Idlozi that is going to come after me, or that is going to hope ukuthi one day now? Because automatically, still bypassing. We said we're not gonna work now. And in Petting I don't want to mention names, but you know what Nkulumanga.
Brakebi, truly, actually here there's a different story. Umuntu business lawa luisa Idlozi ngobe kasebenza ngayo. Yes, if umuntu lo le business akazange asebenzisa Idlozi, vele we going to bypass it. Idlozi siyakwazi ukulichifta. but umuntu obeka sebenza nedlozi from how can you help that person ukuthi sincengele edlozi? But mase kade amkhulu angisafuni kulongiguqa ngenza ngenza no yeah siyashaya lento ihambe ihlalele sithathe thina wena sawusabuswa vele bakini so ubuswa ilesipoko maybe sikuphe sona yiso sirun izinto wena okwakho ukuthi unakekele lento le ikwazi ukukwenzela okuhle.
Yes. But then the question is, how do you protect me from Elon ukwata walezos? Because at some point it's gonna try and sabotage lento le
idlozi ligwala kakhulu. That's why bakwazi ukukutshontshela lona. If belinesikhwele linesikhohlezana bengeba litshontshe if likhwelezela wena, but umuntu uyakwazi ukutshontsha amadlozi abheke yena kuphela khohlwe ngawo. Why? Because of awekho fair in other way, because of athanda ukubona maybe mangafika mina ngithathe le mali ngiyakuthenga wena Tsokho TV buya nonke inyanya zeTsokho TV zokushiya wena sizonke inyanya zibuye kini.
Okay, lastly, I had a case, somebody did the same thing, whatever, everything went well. I think I told you about the guy. The business, no, or whatever, I don't know if you remember. The business went well and then wow. So now he had a issue with manje ufuna ukubuyela edlozini ayocela forgiveness. How does he do that, and then how what is he supposed to do to win back idlozi lakhe ukuthi asebenze ngalo? Because the concern yakhe was that he was too high up and he doesn't think ukuthi idlozi lakhe will return or lizombuyisela the way he was. So at least he just wanted that forgiveness and abuyele futhi to ithwalo zakhe is better. So how do you deal with that situation?
Le brakebi on a serious note isikhulume singadlali ngabantu ayikhonakala. If idlozi ulichasile la hamba uliqoshile lento le nayo self seyibusa umzimba wakho, he won't allow that one ukuthi wena ubuyele idalweni zakho asale nobani. That's why ngithi izinto ezijulile ziyama umuntu ziyamstrike uyafa. Ayigcini ngokuthi wena uzothi hayi manje ngisakufuna inyoka hamba ubuyele izokugwinya vele. Truly speaking, ayibulala umuntu. Kufana nomuntu athi no, I will sell my soul and then tomorrow I will go back and say no, I need my soul back. No, we have sold it, pelile, isinto. Ayijikiseki into njalo ayifana ukuthi uzothatha uhlopha umbuyise kusathi uthi hayi mkhulu sengi-right ngicela ukuthi uhlopha ahlale. Phela ithwala ezijulile brakebi zinegazi ngaphakathi. Igazi ziyahlatshelwa lezi ziyadla lezi zinto lezo ziyenza yonke lemhlalo lenyakanyaka le. Wena vele idlozi lakho noma bangathini bafu bakho ngeke bakumukele noma ungafa ngeke baze bakumukele because of ubaqosha uphila. So ozothi hayi kuyakhonakala brakebi mina manga ngiwathanda kwakhuluma since ngangena ephehlweni was 89 ngathi 90 91 92 93 94 ngaphuma ephehlweni. Angikhumbula ugobela wami lo wangifundisa ukwakha ithwala ngitshela idlozi uthi edlozi mawuthi ushaya. Angisho kuye lo muntu athi mina ngifuna ukusebenza ngedlozi ngifuna ukusebenza uwe ovume waphuphuza ngomlomo wakho wathi mina ngifuna lento le ngeke kujike batho wena kusasa lento awusayifuni so ufuna lento cha nama ama boys yami lawa ngiwakhile akhona akhuluma la ekhaya ngeke ngivele ngisongethe ama boys hambani la angangibulala. Angangibulala straight uthi hey wena uyasijwayela wena uthini ngathi angangibula ayikho into engahamba ikwenzele imali bese ekusasa uthi wena lento angisayifuni uyifuneleni idlozi lakho ngeke lisondele nakuwe ulinyathe walidelela from dala and then manje so uthi hayi sengiyabuyela edlozini hayi loyo mkhulu akayi kubomashaya bamshaya mina ngiyala ayikho into enjalo.
All right. Siyabonga mkhulu.
Bonga mina.